Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you a very wonderful recipe which is also known as Besan Chilla or Besan vegetarian pancake. So let's start with our today recipe. For this you need some ingredients such as 1 tomato, 1 sliced onion, paneer cubes or cheese cubes, 1 green chili, and 1 cup of gram flour or besan, and you need some salt as per the taste, red chili powder and some turmeric powder. So let's start the today recipe. So first of all you need to take a bowl and add besan or gram flour. Here I have taken 1 cup of besan. You can add additional gram flour or besan according to the quantity required to make the besan chilla. So here besan is there. Now I am adding some tomato slices, onion, green chilies, paneer cubes. It will give a wonderful taste. Now, after this, all the vegetables, I will be adding some salt according to the taste, some red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So, okay, now I will be adding some water to make a paste for the same. Just make sure that the gram flour does not have any lumps in it. Just mix the mixture properly with all the ingredients together like this and make a smooth batter so as to make a good chilla. Now you can see I am adding or mixing all the ingredients together. So friends, here the mixture or the batter is completely ready. Neither it is too much thick or not that much of thin. Now I will be adding magic masala into this mixture to give a unique taste of flavor to our besan chilla. Now I am adding the masala. Now here I have added the magic masala or Maggi masala, which will give a unique flavor, but try to add just a little bit of masala to it, otherwise it will be too much salty. Now here your mixture or batter is completely ready. Let's make the chilla now. So now friends, take a pan and add 1 big tablespoon of oil to it and just properly spread the oil all over to the pan or tawa. Now you have to check it whether your oil has been heated up or not. Now I am adding the batter or the mixture over to the tawa or the pan. Now you can see I have spread the batter over to the tawa. Now you have to heat it until the batter get golden brown from the other side. Like you can see, after this you have to keep it like this and just do this. So now you can see our besan chilla is absolutely ready. Now it's time to serve. So now your besan chilla is absolutely ready. Now you can serve it with some cheese grated or paneer grated on the top of it and with some red tomato ketchup, and enjoy this delicious besan